Hi, my name's Eric and I'm with Advanced Chimney Cleaning. Today we're going to talk about eucalyptus wood and why it's a poor choice of fuel for your fireplace. Eucalyptus wood is very common in our area. Trees are everywhere. What a lot of people don't realize is that eucalyptus naturally has oils in that wood, and those oils are very flammable. Our fireplaces generally don't get hot enough to fully combust this oil, and it's left as deposits in the flue. These deposits are very flammable as well, and a lot of times they can't be swept out with the normal chimney sweeping. I'd say if I've been to 10 houses that have had a chimney fire, 9 of them were directly attributable to eucalyptus wood. We have lots of better options in our area. We can burn oak, avocado, citrus, the list goes on, but eucalyptus tends to be right up at the top with the worst thing you can burn in your fireplace. If you're interested in having your fireplace or chimney checked out, you can call us at 951-698-8676. You can speak with the office directly. We can get you set up with an appointment. We are the only licensed and certified chimney company in the Temecula and Murrieta Valley.